Client management. The client management section allows companies to review, manage, and connect clients to their Smart Roads portal. Users can search for existing clients using their registered client portal email address and send a connection request directly to their company. If a client has not yet registered, the system provides a ready-made invitation message that can be copied and sent manually by email or text. This helps guide clients through the registration process before they are connected. Once connected, the client will appear in the company's client list, where administrators can view contact details, organization information, phone numbers, and linked rate cards. The system also allows businesses to attach rate cards to clients, create new rate cards, link additional pricing structures, or request a disconnect if needed. This feature provides a simple and organized way to manage client relationships, pricing connections, and portal access from one central workspace.